How to add a blog to your Shopify Dawn theme. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I'll show you step by step how to set this up. So it's actually going to be very easy and simple to do, and what we're going to be doing is adding a blog page where we can just add our blog posts, and we can just go ahead and make sure people will be able to access it easily. So let's just go ahead and get started. So the first thing is going to be creating the actual page itself. So we can just go ahead and go to the pages section. And by the way, there is a different way to do so, but I like to do it this way. But there's also a different way on, how to actually do this. But I prefer this method, so I'm just going to show you this one. So anyways, go to pages and you just want to click on add page on the top right. And you just want to name it the name of the blog that you want to showcase. So let's just go ahead and name it test blog. People are going to be seeing this, so make sure you name it something proper. Once this is done, you can just go and click on save on the bottom right. And then we are almost set with this. The only thing left for us to do is just go to navigation. And then we just want to go to the main menu. And we want to basically add that to the main menu so people will be able to access it easily. So click on add menu item. And then just go ahead and give it the same name. So I'm just going to name it test blog. And then if you want to, you need to go ahead and click on the search or paste a link. Click on pages. And then you just will find the test blog page. Click on add and we are pretty much done. So now what we need to do is actually create the blog for it. So we want to go to the online store. We want to click on blog posts. And then we would want to create at least one new post in order to create a new blog. So click on create a blog post and you can just go ahead and name it whatever you want and add the content that you actually want to add. So in my case, I'm just going to name it first blog post. Here you can add whatever you want. It doesn't really make a difference. If you want to add an image, you can also feel free to do so. I'm just going to add this one. And then most importantly, make sure it is visible if you want it to start right now. And for the blog section here, if you scroll down a little bit, you want to create a new blog and name it the same name. So test blog. Once that's done, we can just go ahead and click on save. And now we have created a new blog, which is the test blog. So now all we need to do is just go back to online store, go to customize. And then you would want to go for the new page, which is this one. And now we want to be able to list out the blog posts in this page. So we just want to go to the template of the section, click on add section. And then you would want to scroll down until you find blog posts. Click on that, and then you would want to click on it on the left panel to adjust it. Now here, obviously you can customize it to your liking, the scheme and everything, but most importantly here, you want to go to the blog, select blog, and you would want to select this new one. And now we can actually see all the blog posts that are related to that one. So click on save and you're pretty much good to go. So whenever you add a blog post, it's just going to be shown over here. And to add a blog post, it's going to be exactly the same way. You just go to blog posts, add a blog post, name it whatever you want, second blog post, and then here obviously you can add whatever content that you want, visible, give it another image, and make sure you just state that the blog is the test blog and click on save. And we are pretty much done. So this is all for this video. Let's just go ahead and show you first how it's actually going to look like now, and then we can just go ahead and move on. So now it's actually going to show the other one as well. It's just, taking a little bit of time to load. But this is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.